Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to scan QR code on Instagram. So it's pretty simple. If you have someone's QR code for Instagram, you guys can easily approach to them on Instagram, or you guys can easily approach to their profile on Instagram. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, I'm going to tell you where is the QR code option and how we can scan the QR code of someone other's profile and we can follow someone other. So you have to just simply first make sure you have updated your Instagram account from Play Store. So after that, you have to just simply open up Instagram. So after opening up Instagram, you have to just simply click on the below right corner of your profile by just tapping on your profile. So after tapping on that, here it will ask you for some options. So first option is you have to just simply click on the share profile. So after clicking on share profile, which is right next to edit profile, you have to just simply click on share profile and it will provide you QR code of your profile. So now you guys can see it is our profile QR code. So if you want to scan and someone's QR code, for that we have to just simply click on the top right corner of option, which is like scan option. So after clicking on this, it will automatically open up your phone camera. So you guys can directly scan your someone's QR code right here, or you guys can import from gallery. For import from gallery, you have to just simply click on the top right corner of photo icon. So after tapping on that, it will automatically open up our phone gallery. So from here, we have to just simply select the QR code if you already have picture of a QR code. So I'm just selecting the picture. So after selecting that, now you guys can see it has provided us we have just provided it as QR code, and Instagram has provided us a complete username, and we guys can follow or we guys can view profile. So I have to simply view the profile. So for that, I have to simply click on view profile, and you guys can see I have opened up profile from the QR code. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.